seen before tea factories?
No.
First time?
Yeah.
Okay, first I will explain our tea history of Sri Lanka. In 1867, Sir James Taylor, you can see that photo. Sir James Taylor introduced tea to Sri Lanka. He was a Scotsman. He called,
Yeah.
just now you live in Scotland.
Yeah, we are from Slovakia, but we live in Scotland.
He was in Scotland. And we call father of Ceylon tea. And Sri Lanka is the second biggest tea producer in the world. First one India. Yeah. Third one is Kenya, but percentage-wise, Sri Lanka is the best and biggest tea exporter. Annually, we are making around 300 million kilos of tea. Our total production, 97% we export, especially to Russia, Middle East, England. In Sri Lanka, we have different kinds of tea plants, and we produce so many varieties of tea, mainly black tea, green tea, golden tips, and silver tips. Black tea and green tea coming from same tea plant, this plant, but two different processes. Basically, black tea we have fermentation, but green tea without fermentation. And these two very rare tea clones in Sri Lanka. This is golden tips, and this one silver tips.
Okay.
Silver tips famous as a white tea. If you heard about white tea, this one.
Okay.
And to produce these two, we use only this tip, only bud, and never go under any process, only dry by sunlight, because we need to protect more tannin. Do you know tannin? Tannin means natural vitamins.
Okay.
Yeah, it reacts against diabetics, cholesterol, heart diseases, losing body weight, and growing antioxidant in our body. Very healthy tea. And Sri Lanka we pluck tea leaves by hand, no machines, and there are no season for tea. You can see the smaller shoot.
Yeah.
The smaller shoot grow up around 7-10 days as a new leaf. So only around we can get the harvest. In rainy season, harvest will increase.
So you keep the plants, but you just pick the leaves, they
like
grew
this.
again.
Yeah. Okay, and now you can see black tea process. How to make black tea.
Okay.
This is our first process of making black tea. We call withering process. Withering means reducing moisture of the tea leaves, because like these fresh leaves we can't control. But after this process we easy to control. So after pluck the tea leaves, we bring to the factory and spread like this troughs. And after switch on that blue color fan, normal air blowing through the leaves and dry up 18 to 20 hours. Every 6 by 6 hours, we want to turn it by hand. Normally here we can reduce around 45 to 50% of the moisture in tea leaves. As an example, when we put 500 kilos of fresh leaves, after 20 hours, it becomes around 250 kilos of withered leaves. After this process, we need to pass to the roller machines, our second process.
Okay.
These two are the shooters. After withering process, that withered leaves we apply to the roller machines supporting this shooter. Shooters directly connect with roller machines. Let's go downstairs, we can see rollers.
So you move all the leaves from here.
Yeah, we directly like these buckets and put the roller machines. Those are the rollers. Very old British machines, but still working. After withering process, 250 kilos of withered leaves, we apply that first roller. Supporting upstairs shooter and rolling 20 minutes without any pressure, like this, smoothly rolling. Because first time we need to take unbroken leafy particles. First time tea leaf is rolling like a ball, like roll, twisted particles. Tea leaves not broken and tea cells also not broken. So first time we can get light taste characters. And second time we apply another new 250 kilos of withered leaves, this second roller. But second time we rolling with little pressure. Second time tea leaves will be broken and tea cells also broken. So second time we can get strong taste characters. After 20 minutes, that first roller roll particles we pass to the first sifter, and second roller broken particles we pass to the second sifter. This sifter machine consists 3 different sizes of measure: small, medium and bigger. You can see the most younger particles smaller than others. So younger particles fall through the measure, but now the rest particles fall in front of the measure. Finally, all the rest particles we pass to the third roller, supporting this conveyor belt. And third time we rolling with full pressure. Tea leaves become very smallest. Very strong taste characters we can make the third. Let's go inside.
Smell amazing.
After grading tea, grade wise we keep that side for the fermentation. Do you know fermentation?
Yep.
Yeah, with normal oxygen. We keep that side 2.5 hours for the fermentation. After fermentation, that green color particles become brown color. It is the natural color. We spray water, just water, supporting that humidifier fan. But not directed to tea leaves, only this area. We need to keep moisture in this area. And this fermentation gives good color, good taste, good aroma to the tea. Especially we fermented only black tea. Because black tea we use as a beverage. But green tea, golden tips, silver tips we use as a healthy tea. That's why never fermentation. After 2.5 hours we must dry. These two are the dryers made in Ireland, Belfast in 1938.
Okay.
After fermentation process, that fermented tea we apply to the dryer machine and dry 22 minutes under 120 Celsius degrees. After drying, tea leaves become black color,
Yeah.
but the stems become brown color. The stems not to drink, back to the plantation as a compost, fertilizer. And we can separate like this smaller stems supporting this machine. This is fiber wet machine. After switch on this machine, rollers are warm up and work as a magnet, electromagnet. So like this very lighter stems stick to the roller and come outside from the machine. But now the leafy particles and harder stems go through that silver color mat and pass to the next process. In here we separate only the smaller stems. We have another new machine for separating picks.
Does it become rubbish or what?
Yeah, use as a compost back to the plantation. Yeah. and good aroma to the tea.
Yeah. It's
Especially we
amazing.
use rubber woods. Do you know rubber tree? Caoutchouc.
Couch,
Oh,
yeah.
caoutchouc, yeah.
Burning long time, give high temperature, burning easily. That's why especially we use caoutchouc.
So there's only caoutchouc here.
No, on all the jungle woods we can use, but especially we use caoutchouc.
So this is caoutchouc.
Caoutchouc, yeah.
Yeah.
Rubber sand.
That's why it burns easily because it's like,
Burning, yeah,
it's like
yeah.
plastic.
Yeah. That's why burning easy and burning long time.
Wax.
Yeah.
Like candles, it burns longer.
And make it only the heat, ash fall down, smoke go outside. Smoke go outside through that chimney. That final stage, grading route. In here, we separate according to the sizes because always taste depend on the sizes. You can see, like this bigger particles give lighter taste. Medium particles give medium light taste. But smaller particles give strong taste. Medium strong, strongest. And this is tea dust, low quality tea, because include bigger leaves and stems. That's why it is the brown color. Mostly
Do you
outside,
use it for tea, like for drinking? Or-
mostly outside tea bags include
Okay.
mixed with tea dust. Yeah. Easy to make, but not good quality.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So what is the best quality?
Without tea dust, these all
These
best
are-
quality, sir. It's depend on your taste.
This is the strongest tea then.
the strongest, better with milk.
Mhm,
Yeah.
mhm.
You like strong taste, you can choose the smaller particles. If you like lighter taste, you want to choose the bigger particles. And after size-wise grading tea, we again separate according to the weight, because always quality depend on the weight.
Okay.
This is suction winnower machine. When we put into the tea, sucker suck the tea, and most heavier particles fall near to the winnower, but lighter particles go far from the winnower. Most heavier means most younger particles, because younger particles have more moisture, but bigger particles don't have moisture. That's why younger particles more heavier. Most good quality mean most younger particles. Normally here we can categorize 1 grade 6 qualities. As an example, when we put BOPT here, BOP have extra special quality, number 1 quality, like 6 qualities. You can touch and feel this one. 2 different qualities, 2 different weight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, different. Most heavier means good quality one, because include younger particles.
So these are already all separated.
Yeah, we want to
In the-
separate that one. Yeah.
Where
We
does
need
it
to
come from?
When you put into that
Yeah,
one, yeah.
Yeah,
So
you
this
put
goes there? or-
Yeah.
Okay. So this is not separated yet.
Don't touch it. Hello.
our new machine.
Looks like me.
Yeah. Color sorter machine.
So that's similar to that one?
No.
No.
In here we separate bigger stems. But that one we separate quality wise. And they have color sensor cameras. And you can recognize what are the black color, what are the brown color. Black color means tea. Tea fall in front of the machine. Brown color means harder stems. Harder stems go back to the machine. Stem particles.
Okay.
Yeah. Bigger stems, not to drink, back to the plantation. Compost. This is summary of our tea production. These 5 are the black tea varieties. This is OP, orange pekoe. Orange means not orange taste, just color. Orange color and lighter taste because have bigger particles. And this is FP, flowery pekoe. When you put it in the hot water, these roll particles open up. Medium light taste. And this is BOP, broken orange pekoe, medium strong black tea. And this is BOPF, broken orange pekoe fannins. Fannin means smallest, very strong taste. If you like with milk, the BOPF is the better with milk. English breakfast tea.
Yeah.
This BOPF one. And dust, low quality tea. Refuse to use as a compost, fertilizer. Green tea, black tea coming from same plant, but green tea without fermentation. That's why green tea is the green color. And these two, golden and silver. To produce these two, we use only this stick. You can see the inside also. Have only the bud and never go under any process, only dry by sunlight. Because we need to protect more tannin. Tannin reacts diabetes, cholesterol, heart diseases, losing body weight, very healthier than other. But these two very rare. Normally, madam, Sri Lanka also you can't find outside. You can find only the tea factories. These two. We have very less percentage of tea plantations, and we use only the bud. That's why we can't find outside. Normally here, our factory, we can produce black tea around 1,500 kilos per day. But these two we can produce around 25 or 30 kilos per month. That's why these two are very rare. But reusable tea, like this little pinch, like 1 gram, enough for 1 cup. And you can reuse up to 3 times. Same day.